BG's Doctorate of Organization Development and Change is really the leader in its niche.
It's designed as an experiential, life-changing program for mature practitioners to add scholarly academic skills.
Students here have a lot of work experience, so they are already experts in their area professionally. What we can provide to them is an idea of leading organizational change.
Transforming organizations or revitalizing communities. And how do we go about helping communities to revitalize themselves and developing human potential that is bringing out the best in people. So the field of OD&C is focused on those core results.
I really started to get interested in how decisions were made within the nonprofit arts organizations that I worked in, and kind of wanting to move beyond just being the one who facilitates and executes a plan, but really being a decision maker in my field.
The advantage of pursuing a doctorate at BGSU is it gives you the knowledge to help wherever you want.
6 months after I started the program, I got a new job, which was incredible. So I was able to apply a lot of the things in the classroom to the real world.
The cohort experience gives you the chance to really learn with folks and gather the diversity of perspective that they bring, and to have folks who just cheer you along and they're with you the entire time. And so we build this camaraderie that's just really special. And when things get difficult, because the pace is hard, we are all working, most of us have family commitments as well. We're there to encourage each other and say, just keep going and you can do this.
I haven't seen really any other programs that are so focused on making sure that students feel supported every single step of the way.
I've had 3 faculty members so far, and I've enjoyed each one of them in their own unique ways. I think the support staff here are phenomenal.
The DODC support staff and faculty are incredible. Coming here to BGSU, everyone has been incredibly supportive, very helpful, and they feel like family in a sense.
Faculty probably learns as much in this program working with mature, expert students as the students learn.
The Organization Development and Change program is one that I think will help to transform the world in the way that we think about various systems.
A student should choose BGSU if they are committed and want to make a difference as a thought leader. They should choose it if they are committed to a cause that is worthy of their life.
I would highly recommend Bowling Green State University.
If you're looking for a program that's going to help you make an impact in the world or a positive change in the world, the DODC program at Bowling Green State University is the program to join. It was the best decision I've ever made.